All right. I have the ladder. I had to be very good and promise I wouldn't harm it, and I will return it. But I have the ladder, the new one. It's awesome. And I needed this ladder to put the white angel up on top of the tree. Now, Lou's family had the tradition, they alternate angels every year. We kind of lost track because we've been working at some other shop somewhere. So anyhow, we're going back to start with the white angel. Look at this tree, it's an awesome tree. It's at least 16 feet tall, we're told.
And it does have lights on it now.
And it has lights. And they're very good. We have water. I was gonna put sugar in the water, but honey ate it all. So now I had to refill the water with no sugar because honey's just waiting. So we're gonna wait maybe for the grandkids to show up, and we're gonna decorate it with a bunch of fenders and headlight bezels and things that we have. Not too sure, but it's getting very close to Christmas. Oh, and look at Princess. Have you got the shot? Look at her over there. Do you see that? Oh, Princess.
Hello, Princess. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. So she needs some reindeer antlers.
I bought her some.
Yeah.
Don't think she'll wear them.
Yeah, I'll get her a little, armband or something to wear saying Kitty Cousteau. Oh, sorry. That's not nice. Anyhow. So, pretty excited. We have this up. Not a lot more body work obviously going on between now and the big day. We will do a bit of a live Christmas Eve shortly. I want to bring Dad over. I was talking to my dad. Turns out he's always had a pilot's license. And he actually was on a flight where the pilot got sick and my dad had to take over the controls. I know, you're not going to believe me, but if my dad says it, it's true. So we're going to yak with my dad Christmas Eve. Cheers.
And just as a Merry Christmas farewell, did you turn them off?
These things drive me freaking crazy. Just imagine you get up in the middle of the night to go for a walk. Just be by yourself.